Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka. Today we will discuss some NTSE questions from the chapter Management of Natural Resources. So let's see the first question. Which of the following is not a biodegradable material? We know what is biodegradable material. Biodegradable material is that substance which gets easily degraded with the microorganism. जो microorganisms के through easily degrade हो जाती है उसे हम biodegradable material कहते हैं. Let's check out the option. Aluminium foil, animal bone, wood or cotton. We know that animal bone, wood and cotton, these are biodegradable substances. They get easily degraded with the help of microorganism. ये easily degrade हो जाती हैं. तो इनमें से कौन सा non biodegradable है? That is the aluminium foil. That is the first option is correct. That is aluminium foil is a non biodegradable material. Next question. Which one of the following is a renewable resource? Out of all these four options, we have to find which one is renewable resource. Renewable resource कौन सा होता है? Renewable resource which can renew easily, जो अपने आप को फिर से renew कर देता है, मतलब जो कभी खत्म नहीं होता. Let's check out the options. Coal, oil, forest और petrol. यहाँ पर जो renewable resource है वो है forest, because plantation होगा, हम रिफॉरेस्टेशन कर सकते हैं. डिफॉरेस्टेशन अगर किसी वजह से हो गया है तो हम रिफॉरेस्टेशन करके वापस बैलेंस मेंटेन कर सकते हैं. ऑन द अदर हैंड कोल, ऑयल और पेट्रोल इफ गेट एग्जॉस्टेड, अगर ये खत्म हो गए हैं तो हम इन्हें रिन्यू नहीं कर पाएंगे, नहीं कर सकते. इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल टू रिन्यू दीज रिसोर्सेज. ऑन द अदर हैंड फॉरेस्ट कैन बी रिन्यू, it can be regenerate, हम इसे regenerate कर सकते हैं with the help of planting more and more trees. So the correct option over here is the C option, that is the forest. Next question. According to origin, identify the secondary air pollutant. Secondary air pollutant क्या होता है? Secondary air pollutant which is formed from the primary air pollutant. Primary air pollutant which is present in the atmosphere, जो atmosphere में present होते हैं, जो खुद mix होते हैं, जो दोनों मिलकर प्राइमरी एयर पोल्यूटेंट मिलकर जब कोई तीसरा प्रोडक्ट बनाते हैं तो उसे हम सेकेंडरी एयर पोल्यूटेंट कहते हैं. तो ऑप्शंस यहाँ पर क्या है? SO3, एश, स्मोक, रेडियो एक्टिव कंपाउंड. रेडियो एक्टिव कंपाउंड इज नेचुरल, स्मोक is also a primary air pollutant, ash is also a primary air pollutant. These two are formed as a result of combustion. On the other hand, SO3 is the secondary air pollutant which is formed from the SO2 and O2. SO2 and O2 combine to form the SO3. SO3 form करते हैं SO2 और O2 मिलकर, और SO3 is harmful for us as it affects our respiratory tract, it causes burning sensation, irritation in the skin as well as in the eye. It may also cause, whenever we inhale SO3, it causes dizziness, nausea, vomiting, etc. So SO3 is a secondary air pollutant which is formed from SO2 and O2. So the correct answer over here is A. Next question. Which of the following gases mainly increases global warming? Global warming is increased by which gases? Global warming, the causes behind the global warming is the greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases causes global warming. From these four options, the global warming or the greenhouse gases are carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxide, nitrous oxide, carbon dioxide or sulfur dioxide. The correct greenhouse gases is the carbon dioxide, that is CO2. CO2 is the major greenhouse gas. It entraps the solar energy and hence increases the temperature of the atmosphere, which results into the occurrence of global warming. So behind the global warming, the gas which is responsible is CO2. So correct option is C. Next question. Which of the following is the example of waste bio-decomposition of living beings? Waste which is no more in use, bio that is living which can be easily degrade by the help of microorganism, decomposition of living beings. ऐसा कौन सा इनमें से जो सब्सटेंस है वो कौन सा करेक्ट ऑप्शन है जो इजीली बायोडिकम्पोजिशन है, जो इजीली बायोडिग्रेड हो जाएगा बाय द लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स? So the correct answer over here is vegetable, glass, plastic or metal. These glass, plastic, metal, these are non-biodegradable substances. So the correct answer over here is the A, that is the vegetable, which is the kitchen waste and hence can be easily degraded by the living organisms. Next question, the 3 R's which can help us to conserve natural resources for future generation. We know the 3R principle, that is the reduce, reuse and recycle. Reduce stands for to minimize the consumption of waste, consumption of non-biodegradable substances. हमें पता है non-biodegradable substances can cause harm to the society, to the environment. ये environment को harm करती है, इसलिए हमें उनका जो utilization है कम से कम करना चाहिए. Recycle और reuse, अब biodegradable substances को अगर हम burn करते हैं तो फिर वो टॉक्सिक गैसेस का एमिशन करती है, एज वेल एज अगर हम उसे ऐसे ही थ्रो कर देंगे अनट्रीटेड तो वो उसमें भी वो एनवायरनमेंट को हार्म करेगी. तो इसलिए नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल सब्सटेंसेस को ट्रीट करने का एक ही तरीका है, जो लास्ट ऑप्शन हमारे पास बचता है, इज टू रिड्यूस एंड रिसाइकिल. उसको रिड्यूस कर लीजिए, रिसाइकिल कर लीजिए, यही हमारे पास ऑप्शन है, क्योंकि हम उससे गेट रिड ऑफ नहीं हो सकते. वी कांट गेट रिड ऑफ नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल सब्सटेंसेस बाय बर्निंग दैम और बाय थ्रोइंग दैम इन द ओपन फील्ड. हम उसे ना तो फेंक सकते हैं ना जला सकते हैं. तो हमारे पास एकमात्र एक सोर्स बचता है, एक लास्ट ऑप्शन बचता है, वो है टू कन्वर्ट दैम इनटू सम अदर मटेरियल. उसको कन्वर्ट कर दीजिए और उसको रीयूज करते रहिए, यही हमारे पास ऑप्शन है. तो हम बायोडिग्रेडेबल सब्सटेंसेस को भी रीयूज कर सकते हैं, रिसाइकिल कर सकते हैं, और नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल को भी हमें रिसाइकिल करना ही पड़ेगा, हमारे पास और कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है. बट इसकी रिसाइकलिंग से भी हमें कुछ हार्मफुल इफेक्ट्स देखने को मिलते हैं. सो द 3R प्रिंसिपल ओवर हियर इज रिड्यूस, रिसाइकिल एंड रीयूज. सो द थर्ड ऑप्शन, that is the C option, is correct over here. Next, select the group which contains only non-biodegradable items. Out of 4 options, we have to choose the one which contains all the options as non-biodegradable substances. Wood is biodegradable in nature, so this one is incorrect. Polythene, glass and PVC, these 3 are non-biodegradable in nature, so the correct option over here is B. On the other hand, grass is also a biodegradable, so this one is also incorrect. Cardboard is made up of wood only, so it is a biodegradable substance. So these 3 options are incorrect. So the correct option over here is the B, that is the polythene, glass and PVC. These 3 are all non-biodegradable in nature. So the correct option is B. Next, ozone hole or hole in the ozone layer in the atmosphere refers to. We know ozone is depleting day by day because of our man-made activities, or we can say some activities including usage of chlorofluorocarbons, AC, etc. So these are causing ozone layer to deplete. Now what is the meaning of ozone layer depletion? That is, there is not a single hole in the layer of ozone. It is not like that. The thickness of ozone layer is decreasing. That is, जो थिकनेस है ओजोन लेयर की वो थिन होती जा रही है. तो कहीं जहां पर भी वो थिन होती जा रही है, जो लेयर है ओजोन की वो कहीं पे थिन होती जा रही है, तो उसे हम ओजोन होल कह रहे हैं, इसे हम ओजोन होल कहते हैं. सो the correct option over here is decrease of a hole in the ozone layer. No, this is not correct. Decrease in the ozone layer in troposphere. No, because ozone layer is present in the second layer of atmosphere, that is the stratosphere. So this one is also incorrect. This one is also incorrect. Decrease in the ozone layer in stratosphere. This one is correct. That is the C option is correct. Next, from which district of Rajasthan did Chipko movement begin? Chipko movement begin from the Khejri village of Jodhpur district. So the correct option over here is A. We know what is Chipko movement, in which people try to save the trees by hugging them. So it is a movement called the Chipko movement. Next question. Kevla Devi National Park is situated at, it is present or it is located in Rajasthan. So the correct answer is C. Next question. Tal Chappar Wildlife Sanctuary is located at, this sanctuary is located in Churu. So the correct option over here is C. Next, when we destroy forest, we know forest consists of flora, fauna, microorganisms, aquatic ecosystem, habitat of many millions of microorganisms, animals, flora as well as fauna. So these combinedly forms an environment. Our environment consists of biotic and non-biotic components. So both these components form the environment. So, whenever we destroy a forest, we are destroying both the components, that is the biotic as well as the abiotic component. So, the correct appropriate answer over here is population of wildlife is depleted. This is true. The trees is also depleted. The environment consists of wildlife as well as trees. Forest does not consist of only trees as well as only wildlife. Forest में सिर्फ wildlife ही नहीं होती या सिर्फ trees ही नहीं होते. Forest में wildlife भी होती है और trees भी होते हैं. Food and shelter of wild animals, this is also correct. But the most appropriate answer over here is the environment, because it consists of both abiotic and biotic component. So, the correct answer is C. Which of the following is not a natural resource? We know what is natural resource, which does not made by the human, जिसे हमने नहीं बनाया है. It is natural, made by the God, जो हमें God ने provide कराई है. So, the natural resource over here is not a natural resource, where out of these 4 options, which one is not a natural resource? Soil is not made by us, water is also a natural resource, electricity is formed or produced by the human being. So, electricity is not a natural resource. So, the correct answer over here is C. So, our next question is, pick the right combination of terms which has no fossil fuel. We know what is fossil fuel, it is the remains of dead plants and animals. So, we have to find out the option in which no fossil fuel is present. First one is wind, wood and sun. There is no fossil fuel. So, this one is the correct answer. Let's check the other option also. Kerosene is one of the fossil fuel. Petroleum is again a type of fossil fuel. Wind, ocean and coal. Coal is again a type of fossil fuel. So, the correct answer over here is A. So, these are some NTSE questions from the chapter called Management of Natural Resources. In the next turn, we will discuss some more questions from the another chapter. Thank you so much.